In this tutorial, we teach you how to use Puzzle Maker Pro, acrostic Criss Cross. There are many options and settings, and it all starts with a word list. The word list we use includes a title and a secret word, both indicated by the hashtag symbol. You can add multiple secret words to a word list, and even with this single word, you can generate many unique puzzles. In Puzzle Maker Pro, you can choose to see the puzzle preview, or the solution, or both. The Settings tab has options for word list control and word count for the puzzle. Word list control lets you choose how the word list is used for your puzzles, only once or repeatedly, to create hundreds of puzzles from a single word list. Word count is used as an indication to create the puzzle. However, the available grid size and the secret word also determine how many words actually fit. You can even choose to minimize the number of words or to use as many as possible. The acrostic tab has options to control how the hints in the puzzle are created, with a secret word or only with letter hints. You can set the secret word with hashtag secret or randomly choose a word from the list for each puzzle. Additionally, you can choose how many words must match with the secret word and how many hints, the little numbers, will be shown for each letter. The Variation tab is not used for acrostic Criss Cross. On the Grid tab, you can set the size of the letter grid and the alignment of the grid in the image. The options here can be used to get consistent layouts for all puzzles in your puzzle book. There are two Style tabs to create customized puzzles for your brand or style. The first Style tab lets you set the main puzzle font, lines, and colors. The second Style tab is for the word numbers in the puzzle. You can use digits, letters, and set the font and color. The Clues tab has several options and gives you some fun variations. First of all, you can print the clues in the image. This is great when you want to post these puzzles on social media or use them for book covers. You can choose 3 variations for the clues: regular, word fill, and scramble. In addition to acrostic Criss Cross, you also get acrostic Criss Cross word fill and acrostic Criss Cross word scramble. Last but not least, you can customize the clue headings to fit your brand or language. Finally, the Image tab. Here you can set the title and description for social media image export in Puzzle Maker Pro. Go to the Output Settings tab, then click Use Image Settings, and click the Image Settings button to configure. You can set the layout, colors, fonts, and options for your watermark. Back to the Image tab, you can select which item to use for the title and the description in the image.
Don't wait any longer. Buy Puzzle Maker Pro, acrostic Criss Cross now, and start creating fun and engaging puzzles for your audience.